has not been sick for 30 years. Ingredients: garlic, thyme, honey, water, carrot. 1. Immune support. Garlic, thyme, and carrots all possess immune-boosting properties. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which has antimicrobial and antiviral properties. Thyme is rich in antioxidants and has been traditionally used to support the immune system. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, which helps strengthen the immune response. Consuming this combination can provide a synergistic effect in supporting overall immune health. 2. Antioxidant protection. Garlic, thyme, and carrots are all rich sources of antioxidants. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that act as antioxidants, helping to neutralize free radicals and protect the body from oxidative stress. Thyme contains thymol, a potent antioxidant that can help protect cells from damage. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene and other antioxidants that help combat free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Incorporating these ingredients into your diet can provide a powerful boost of antioxidants for optimal health.